Is the President Emmerson Mnangagwa not aware, misinformed, suffering from amnesia, or is completely not in charge of Zimbabwe? This question, it arises from something which is very, very important right here. We need to play the video and understand.
Excellency, my ambassador, my brand ambassador, says Zimbabwe, senior national team, I know the Warriors. Havana kumusha kwekutambira bhora. Warriors.
You've done a lot kuti mastadium makavamba kuti vaigadzire
havana pekutambira
havana pekutambira bhora. Nhasi vatambira kuUganda Nelson Mandela Stadium. Mangwana unotambira kuOrlando Stadium.
So we upgrade them.
You funded to upgrade.
I'm advised by Chief Secretary that the government has released the funding to upgrade our stadiums. We've released the funding to upgrade the stadiums.
Your Excellency, Your Excellency, pane marenovations angaitwa kuNational Sports Stadium. Pace yacho tingati mabatira avakuita is very slow. Are we likely to see an acceleration because toda kuona zvinhu zvichifamba nekuti isusuka aqualify kuenda Africa Cup of Nations tisina kutomboona maWarriors team yedu isusu hatina kutomboona muno at home tingoona kuSouth Africa kupita mukapa Orlando Nelson Mandela kuUganda. Ndachikumbira hangu kuti chemo changu Your Excellency, ndachikumbira kuti dai zvinhu zvaita se zvatifambei
isusu hurumende pane chatofana kuita chatisataita
chekuti marenovations ari kuitwa kuNational Sports Stadium apere.
hakuna mbudzi.
So when you listen to whatever which he said right there, there is something which is very, very important which you need to take a look. He asks and says, "Isuse hurumende pane chatisina kuita chatiri kufanira kuita." And we have so many questions right here. Is it that President Mnangagwa is not aware that Atina Stadium inogona kutambirwa ma-international soccer matches? Or is it that President Mnangagwa is misinformed by the people around him that are not telling him the truth?